Today, let's do a step-by-step setup guide for our embedded voice chat plugins. First, let's get the plugin installed. In your Godot project root, create a folder named add-ons. Download and extract the plugin files. Then draw the embedded voice chat folder right inside. Finally, head to Project Settings. Find the Plugin tab and make sure Embedded Voice Chat is set to Enable. Now, let's build a basic 3D multiplayer framework. We will start with a main scene to editor as our root. Here, we add a multiplayer spawner and a node 3D code level. In the multiplayer spawner inspector, set the spawn path to that level node and add your level scenes to the auto spawn list. We will attach a script called game mode. On the server side, this handles spawning the levels. On the client side, it connects to the server and configures our stone and turn settings for the voice chat. Inside the level scene, we flow a similar structure. Add a node 3D called players and another multiplayer spawner. Set the spawn path to the players node and add your player scenes to the auto spawn list. Add a multiplayer level script to the root. If we are the server, we will connect to the peer connected signals to spawn a player for each new client, and peer disconnected to clean them up. Now for the fun part, the player scene. To scene inputs like movement and jumping, we use a multiplayer synchronizer node and a player input script. I have set up a standard player input script to sync movement via multiplayer synchronizer. If you are new to Godot high-level multiplayer, I have linked the official documentation in the video description, but for today, let's focus on the voice. Next, search for the embedded voice RPC group. Script and attach it to a node called RPC group. This node handles the heavy lifting, providing the signals for connection states, or you own a customer logic. You can use these signals to handle edge cases like random disconnections to hear other players. Attach the embedded voice chat audio 3D script to an audio stream player 3D. Link your RPC group to the group node slot. Set the string to audio string generator and turn on autoplay. Over in the audio dock, let's set up our buses. Create a new bus called record and set it to mute so you don't hear your own voice loop back. Add a capture effect to both the master and record buses. Here is where you can get creative because we are using Godot's native audio bus. You can stack an audio effect on top of the capture effect. Want your players to sound like they are talking in a message. Just add a reverb node. Want them to sound like they are underwater or talking through a radio. Draw in a low-pass filter or some distortion. This allows the voice chat to actually feel like it is part of your game's environment rather than just an overlay. Back in the prior script, we need to bridge your GAN data with the voice system. Inside the player ID status, assign the ID to the RPC group's owning client ID. This tells the plugin exactly which network peer owns this special voice instance. In the current class owns this player, we can start communication by drawing a group. In this example, we will simply call RPC group join group. This connects the client to the voice channel so they can begin sending audio data immediately. Next, we install T8, the audio string recorder, set its bus to record, and parent it to the mesh instance 3D. Finally, for high-quality audio, install T8, the audio listens the 3D under your camera and call me curtain. This lets the plugin listen to the master bus for echo cancellation, so your mic won't pick up the gas, music, or explosion. With that, you are ready to explore your dedicated server and clients. You now have fully functional 3D Spatial Live voice chat integrated direct into your engine. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the setup, leave a comment below. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Godot tools from 547 Game Studio. Happy developing!